Hop into the 2024 Dodge Durango. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. Seriously powerful, stylishly comfortable, the Durango awaits.